What's up? Welcome back to Cooking with Beta, or Chad Beta, whichever you prefer. Today we're gonna be making enchiladas. I found some random ass recipe online, and sorry for how long it's taken, cause I've been waiting on my apron to get in. Takes a little bit. All right, let's see if you can get a good look at it. Cooking with Beta. Okay. That down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Good. All right. I think I look pretty good in the apron though. Yeah, pretty good. I look pretty good in the apron. Yeah. Anyways, so we're making enchiladas. Yeah, enchiladas. So many ads on this thing. Like, I don't care for the ads, bro. I'm just here for enchiladas. So, let's see. We need a pound of ground beef, some onion, some green chiles, some salsa, some sour cream, tortillas, enchilada sauce, and cheese. And optional, cilantro. But my optional is going to be some guacamole. So we need half a cup of prepared salsa. Alright, this will be the fun part. Wow. Alright, now we gotta mix together some sour cream. It'll get out of this dang cup. And then some salsa. We're supposed to mix this up. Interesting combo. Just to pour a few tablespoons of enchilada sauce into this pan. Wham. And yeah, swirl into covers the bottom of the saucepan. We had to improvise. Closest thing we had to a casserole dish. Lay a tortilla on a flat work surface. Spoon 1 to 2 tablespoons of sour cream mixture Well, the countertop's clean, so. Wham. Tortilla.
Here's a place I know about.
You've got enough useless shit, Dad!
Fine!
You like that? You like that? Yeah? No? Huh? Oh my god. Stop it. 1 to 2 tablespoons of sour cream mixture on top and spread it on the tortillas. It says tortillas, but there's only one tortilla because it told me to put one tortilla. I might have to do more than 2. This is a big ass tortilla. Then spoon half a cup of the beef mixture into the center of the tortilla and roll it tightly. Oh, oven's done preheating. It says half a cup? Damn. Right. Half a cup into the center. Roll it tightly. I feel like that's not enough for this tortilla. There, that should be enough. And then roll it tightly. There we go. We got one in. Got our enchiladas. Now, pour the remaining enchilada sauce on top. Sprinkle with cheese. Now we place it in the oven for 10 minutes. Yeah, now we wait. Get up in here, look at that shit. But yeah, you broke that one. You might as well just scoop it all in one good go. There you go. There you go. Yeah. What's it taste like? Pretty good. It's pretty good? Pretty good. Alternate recipe. Diablo sauce. No, we ain't sponsored by Taco Bell. Let's calm down. Pepsi Nitro, and them draft colas. it was gonna be a mustache. That's what I thought I was gonna do. I think it's pretty good. Cooking with Chad Beta. Oh yeah, there it is, bitch. Good job. Did it work? What are you still doing here? The video's over with. You can go home. You can stop. Oh, what's this? Why? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just go. It'll be alright. You'll be alright.